If you have a Ford F450 and you're looking for a better ride, better look, better handling, I got the wheel and tire packages here for you. What's going on? It's Daniel here from duallywheels.com. That's right, we talk dually wheels and dually trucks. So that's what we're going to do today. This video specifically is designed for a Ford F450 owner and a Ford F450 owner that doesn't maybe want to do any suspension mods to their truck and you want to see a variety of choices. We had two packages leaving today and I said, hold up, both of those are for stock height trucks. I need to give the people the content. So that's what we're doing today. I wanted to take a minute and talk about two different options, okay? If you have an F450 and you have 19.5 wheels, you know the uncomfortable ride that comes with that truck. It's great for load capacity, but if you want to get some of that ride quality back, you got to get rid of those 19.5s. That is why the 10 on 225 wheel bolt pattern is our #1 seller. So here I have two both very nice wheel and tire packages, but designed for two different customers. Both of them with a stock height, no leveling kit modifications. So I'm gonna start on my left. On my left here is the Fuel Arc. This is a D867. It's a gloss black and milled finish, but most of all, it's a 20-inch diameter. Okay, so you're gonna go from a 19.5 up to a 20. This is your very first step in changing wheels and tires on your F450. The tire size is a 285/65/20. It's wrapped in what you can see is an all-terrain tire. This is the Nitto Terra Grappler G3. This is our most popular all-terrain tire. It's going to get you into a 10-ply tire. It's going to be 80 PSI, so if you have tire pressure sensors for those new 2026 F450s, these are tire pressure sensor compatible, meaning the light's going to stay off, and they carry 3,860 pounds of load capacity. Most of all, in the next step, there's a large reduction in weight of the tire, which really helps drivability of the truck and the handling. And most of all is a 55,000 mile tread life warranty tire. So this one checks the boxes for a lot of F450 owners. But if you're that guy and you want to push the envelope a little bit, you want to go a little bit larger on your wheel, you want to go a little bit larger in diameter and more aggressive, an option right here would be your choice. So this is the brand new Arena. This is the A127 Innovator. As you can tell, it's a gloss black finish. It's going to be a direct bolt, no spacers for your F450. And they are wrapped in a 295/55/22. Now, this is really pushing the envelope for a stock height truck. There is one step down here from here, which is a 285/55/22. Not available in every tire, but that is another tire option. Now, the reason you would want to choose between a 285 and a 295 is if you're open to doing some trimming on the plastic, maybe pulling the inner fender well back, or potentially doing a leveling kit down the road, the 295 is a great choice for you. You can see them side by side, the difference between a 20 and a 22. If you don't want any rubbing, you don't want to do any trimming, let's look at some 285/55/22 options for you. We have these packages right off our head. We're doing F450s all day, every day. I own an F450. We're F450 fans. We know a lot about these trucks. So if you have more questions or you want to build your own custom package, definitely give us a call. We're happy to do that. You can head to duallywheels.com. You can put in your vehicle and build your own package, or give us a call. All of our salesmen are available to answer your questions at 888-505-0987.